In the video, a dermatologist is carrying out a blackhead removal procedure on his patient. At the beginning of the video, the doctor explains the condition of the patient's skin, which is full of blackheads in various areas of the face, especially on the nose and chin. The doctor begins by cleaning the patient's facial area with an antiseptic to ensure cleanliness and prevent infection. After that, the doctor uses a special tool known as a comedone extractor to remove the blackheads from the skin pores. With careful and skillful movements, the doctor presses the area around the blackhead to remove the dirt trapped inside. As time goes by, we can see that quite a lot of blackheads have been successfully removed, giving a sense of satisfaction and relief to both the patient and the audience. The doctor also provides a brief explanation regarding skin care that should be carried out after this procedure, such as using non-comedogenic products and regularly cleaning your face to prevent the formation of new blackheads. At the end of the video, the patient's face looks cleaner and fresher. The doctor closed by providing several additional suggestions regarding a healthy lifestyle that can help maintain clean and healthy skin, and thanked the audience for watching the blackhead cleaning process.